In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money on Sendwave, step-by-step guide. We'll walk through verifying your account in the app and how to receive a transfer to your mobile wallet smoothly. Before you receive money, make sure the Sendwave account involved and your own account are verified. Verification keeps transfers secure and prevents delays. Open your Sendwave app, log in, and from the home screen tap the menu icon or your profile picture. Choose Verify Account. Enter your full legal name and date of birth exactly as they appear on your identification. Then select the purpose of your account so Sendwave understands how you use the service, and tap Finish. Next, tap Continue. Select your country, then choose the type of document you'll use for verification. Depending on your country, this can be a passport, national ID, or driver's license. Tap Continue, and when prompted, tap Continue again to move into the capture flow. Hit Start. You'll now capture your document. Place it on a flat surface in good lighting, keep all four corners visible, and avoid glare. Hold your phone steady and follow the on-screen frame. When the image looks clear, tap Submit Photo. You'll then record a quick selfie video for liveness. Tap Start Recording to record your face and tap Start when asked. Center your face, remove hats or sunglasses, and follow any prompts like turning your head slightly. Wait while the recording finishes. Keep the app open, and stay connected to the internet. That's it for verification. In most cases, you'll get a notification once it's approved. After you're verified, ask the sender to send money to the mobile number you registered on Sendwave. Make sure your mobile wallet is active and linked to that exact number so the transfer lands in the right place. The sender will select your country and your mobile wallet provider in their Sendwave app and complete the transfer when ready. Once the transfer is sent, you'll receive a confirmation message or SMS from your mobile wallet provider. Funds usually arrive within minutes, though processing times can vary by provider. If you don't see the money, double check that your number is correct, your wallet is active, and your verification is complete. Then try refreshing your wallet app. And that's how to receive money on Sendwave from start to finish. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be ready to receive transfers with confidence.